Hello, my friends. Okay, now today we will look at these cameras. As usual, when we choose cameras, we need to consider some points. First, internal or external of the cameras. If you install inside or outside, if it is outside, you need to consider of the waterproof. Okay, next one, you need to choose the right lens for the cameras. Usually, we have 2.8 and 3.6 millimeter lens for your choice, and other lens like 2.1 or other lens is optional. Okay, you can determine according to your project. Okay, the next consideration is of the IR LEDs. Okay, look at this one. This one has 18 LEDs, and the distance of the IRs is about 15 meters. Okay, the next consideration is the resolution of the cameras. Okay, we have 720p, 1080p HD cameras, and we also have analog cameras. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so now how to install these cameras on vehicles. Okay, now let's look at in the camera we have two screws to fixing the seats and the screwdriver here. Okay, now let's look. Here is 3 screws, and here is also 3 screws here. Okay, we need to unlock these 6 screws first. Okay, anti-clockwise. 1, okay, 6 screws here. Okay, now we can take this is the cover, sunshade cover. This is the seat, and this is the camera. Okay, so for installation these cameras on vehicles, okay, we need to first lock this seat on the right location of the vehicle. Okay, we use these 2 screws. Okay, right. Okay, and when you fixing this seat, okay, and we can install the cameras here, and we have the cover here. Okay, then we need to fix the cameras. Okay, we align the holes here. Okay, clockwise. Okay, now you can see here, and you can, if the sunshade is too loose, okay, you can screw the screws. Okay, like this. Okay, after this, and we will use this is 4-pin, and we use the extension cable to connect this camera and the next end to the mobile DVRs. Okay, so much for the demo of this camera installation. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.